Good day, mom and sir. My name is Joan Bragas. I am 38 years old and single mother of 3 children. Their age is 14, 13, and 7 years old. I worked in Singapore before 2 years, and I take care kids also. I cook food for them, and then I do the household chores without my employer's supervision. And then I work in Hong Kong also for 3 years and 10 months. And then my employer decided to terminate my contract because they don't need helper already. So now I'm here in Philippines and applying again so that I can help my kids and my family for the expenses here in the Philippines. Because I can cook some simple Chinese food and I am willing to learn more. No worries, mom, because I am going to take care of your kids as my own kids also, and I will protect them no matter what. I hope you can choose me to work in your family. Thank you, mom and sir.